Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. I'm here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a video walkthrough of our 2024. This is a Bennington R23. We got the silver paneling here with the black, matte black accent stripe and the blackout package and the nice black rub rail. Brings it all together nice. And a electric bimini with the blackout package. Coming around the back here, of course, always nice to have the American flag on here. The Olympics are going on, so very good there. We have the 300 Mercury Verado on this boat, so big motor for this boat. And now we're going to take you up the nice black lily pad ladder and show you the inside of the boat. Okay, now we're inside the boat. This boat, being 23 feet, has a nice big bow in the front here. Being an R series, we got fold down armrest, pillow top seating. This does have the filler cushion right there in front of the table that can be moved, movable cup holders, toe kick lighting with the RGB lighting package, cup holders, and the speakers all light up. Very big elevated helm on the R series. Nice inlaid Simrad navigation system, and your Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo. This is the co-captain's chair setup. Very comfortable to cruise in. And then you got the nice radius seating in the back for big lounging. It is equipped with a ski tow bar. Once again, the 300 Mercury. So come on out to MarineMax, check out this R23 Bennington with the 300 Mercury. It is a 2024. It's going to be on our website. It's here at the showroom, and you can call us at 864-236-9005.